Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review video. We got a wig cap, lashes, head tie, extra secure band, and the beautiful chocolate brown hair. Now when I tell you, as you look, the quality is amazing. Just take a deep look at this wig. Absolutely love the color, matches my complexion, and I'm pretty sure it will match any complexion. We do have clips in this wig which helps to secure the wig, so if you need to use them, use them. If not, girl, you ain't gotta use it. All right, just the color is everything. It's to die for. I can't wait to install this wig. The lace is absolutely beautiful as well. We are definitely gonna go in and do a little bit of plucking just because we want that more realistic look, but it is beautiful, already pre-plucked. We're gonna add some makeup to the lace. It is also 26 inches, so you guys can buy the same length. You can shop shorter, you can go longer, and even buy a different wig, but shop Hermosa hair. Alright guys, so I am adding the wax stick. We're just gonna style the wig for installation. Use the hot comb, use the flat iron, all of that good stuff, and then we are gonna go into a quick and easy install. Nothing too fussy because the color is already showing out. So that's what we're about to do. Make sure you have that the top area is flat because you don't want it to be too buff, especially because it's a straight hair. I went in and I did the plucking and everything already. All I need to do is style it. Real simple, easy. Let's install this wig, which was super easy to style because it's a straight wig. Here we go. Let's see how it looks first. I'm gonna put the band on and then I'm gonna cut the lace. Okay, we do the baby hair, we do all of that good stuff. We are running late, so we had to do that. I do have an appointment. I'm gonna leave this because I'm gonna cover my hair. The next thing is I'm just gonna go through again. This hair is so bone straight, so we really and truly don't need a. need a lot. the makeup is like literally 10 minutes. The lace is melted. The ear looks so good. This is 26 inches and I love it. Real simple, real easy. I'm just going to use the iron again. I think I'm going to wear it like this behind my ears. And there we go. Just like that. Alright guys, this is it. The simplest way possible. Keep it like this. Make sure you guys check the description bar. This is so simple, easy. For all the details of the wig or any other wig from the company. I have another wig from them. It's a curly wig and I was rocking that one and I also love it. So make sure you check the description bar, okay? You'll get all the details on this wig. So make sure you check it out. Thank you Hermosa for sponsoring this video. Let's get into the slow-mo.
Get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty